Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today we're going to fix this flashlight. Wow, flashlight's working. Well, it wasn't working 5 minutes ago, and I'm going to show you exactly how you fix one of these and what the most common fault is. So what do you need to fix one of these? Yeah, you need a hammer. I'm going to show you that and a piece of copper wire. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix one of these LED flashlights, and they all seem to suffer from the same fault. Well, let's get started right here. Here's your regular type of these flashlights, and I'll just take it apart here and show you. And they all come with one of these cartridges, and it holds the 3 AAA batteries. And I'm going to show you exactly how you fix one of these and what the most common fault is. And let me just get closer here. Can you guys notice anything? There you go. Can you guys see this right there? Okay, I'll just put this down for a minute. And that's what I use the hammer for. It's to flatten out a piece of copper wire. And the first thing when you're going to take a look at an electrical circuit, I'll call this a circuit, is you have to know what can you expect when you go to test it. So in this particular situation, if we just put the leads on here, and can you see that? My arm's in the way there. 4.7. So how do you get 4.7? Well, these are all 1.5 volt batteries. You multiply it by 3, and these are brand new as well. So that's what you should get. So let's just take this little piece of copper out that I had put in here. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to take it out completely. There. Here it is right here. Little piece of copper. Now let's do that test again. Got just a little bit. 0.1. And the reason for that is on all of these, it's hard for me to get right up there and show you, but can you see in there where there is corrosion? So what I've done is I've gotten a little bit of a file, and what I've done is I have filed just the top edge here, because right inside that is all corroded. And that's what happens to a lot of these, is you get one leg that is corroded, and when you put the battery in, this end here fits in there, and it does not make a good contact. So what you do is you just get yourself a little piece of copper like this, and I'm gonna have to more than likely fool around with that to get it to go in right. But I'll put it in there. See if I can do this. And then we'll retest. There we go, back to 4.7. So we'll put this all back together, and that's how easy it is. So we'll just put it here. There we go. Well, what do you think? It's as easy as having one of these and one of these and figuring out what's wrong with it. So yes, you have to have an idea of what voltage you're actually looking for, and on every one of these cartridge types, they're all the same. I must have 10 of these style of flashlights, and I've noticed this so many times. Condensation gets in there and starts corroding one of the legs, and you have to just make a better connection, and you got years and years and years of trouble-free service. So thanks for joining me here today. Gotta have one of these to check one of these. You guys take care. Come back again if you haven't seen this channel before. Well, you're welcome to subscribe. Cheers.